Hello again. So here's question 2, and question 2 is referring to t-scores, not z-scores, so we have to move down the chart on the information that you were given on page 2. And again, with the P and all that kind of stuff when the RStudio, I'm not really certain that I understand all of that, but I can tell you that for question A, if they're giving you this as your t value and it has to be less than that with 16 degrees of freedom, then this is the only place that that t value occurs. And if you want 16 degrees of freedom, then you have to go over to this column in the chart. And so I would assume that the value that they're looking for your t-test value is your 0.4165 there. And so you would do the other one the same way. Yeah, I'm just not really sure why they give you all those different values. For that one, for t being greater than or equal to t star at 0.5674, your degrees of freedom being 12, that one's interesting because with that one you have two different choices, right? Because these two values, they add up to 1. And so 1 minus 0.5674 is 0.4326. So if you're looking for a t-test and you're looking for all the values below that, and you want it to be 0.5674, it's interesting. I'm just guessing here because, again, I just don't know what your input and your output for RStudio, exactly how that relates to how I do it. I'm not really certain of that one. I would almost say that because this one was the positive, I would have to take a guess that this one would be the negative because it's 1 minus 0.5674. And then it gives you, with 16 degrees of freedom, the negative 0.1725, which is the negative probability. I don't know. That doesn't really make a whole lot of sense in my mind, but with the numbers that you're given, oh, sorry, no, it wouldn't be that one. It would be this one, right? Because it's 12 degrees of probability, or 12 degrees of freedom. I'm just not really sure why it would be that for t to be greater than your t star. What's throwing me off is that 0.6587. There's only one possible answer for 16 degrees of freedom in your chart with the information that you're given. There's no one that represents like 1 minus that in your chart as far as I can see. So if that's true, then the other one, because it's going the other direction with the greater than and less than, would have to be the opposite. And that's why I went with the negative one on that. So I'm sorry, I'm just not 100% certain, again, because of the type of readout that you're getting with the RStudio, exactly what it is that they're looking for you to find, because it doesn't relate to the way I do it.